Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide that will help you to get rid of the pop-up windows that are coming from the site Expensivesurvey.live. Now, the internet is full of such fake survey alerts that try to basically force you into participating in some surveys. But the real mission of these surveys is pretty misleading and very malicious, because sometimes the pop-up tries to redirect you to some other questionable content, or they may collect some of your personal details. For instance, this so-called survey may gather the information about your name, your surname, your email address, possibly your telephone number and other information. And if you do that, if you share your personal data through such so-called surveys, you may soon start getting spam to your email accounts, or as in this particular case, you may be just forwarded to some other questionable content, and this may result in further damage to be made with your browser or your entire computer. So stay away from interacting with these so-called surveys. These are fake surveys, and they may promise you some benefits for participation, but in reality there is no any benefit here. You are simply wasting your money when you face these pop-ups. On the other hand, the occurrence of these fake surveys by the site Expensivesurvey.live may be the result of certain adware type application to be enabled in your system. So first thing I would recommend you to do is to check your available Mac applications or Windows computer programs and to get rid of those items that are suspicious. So if you find them, right-click on them and move them to the trash, or uninstall programs that are suspicious in your Windows computer. Also, speaking about your browser, I would recommend you to check your available browser extensions and get rid of those items that are not familiar to you. Sometimes the unusual browser behavior is the result of certain adware to be enabled in your system. I would recommend you to research your computer with the help of the program called Combo Cleaner. So consider going to the official page combocleaner.com, download the software and start researching your device with this program. Initially, Combo Cleaner is in the trial mode, but it has some free features like disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. So after the program updates its antivirus database, click on Start Combo Scan and let the application begin the research of your computer, and you will see the summary of all other threads at the end of scan. At the end of scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will get the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. So currently you may see that so far 20 threads were found. In your particular case, the number of threads may be more than 20 or below 20. But definitely the program will give you the full summary of all threads, including the locations of these threads on your Mac computer. And you have a chance to remove each detected thread manually and for free, one at a time. You may click on Show in Finder next to this particular thread. This will show you the location of thread in your Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. And you may do the same thing with all other threads, or consider upgrading to the premium version to remove these threads altogether and automatically. And of course, premium version will protect your Mac computer from all subsequent threat and malware attacks.